Hey yo! This is it's Chris O. This is the second coat I'm doing. Oh, bloody gorgeous. Everything's done, so it's you know, all the bandage, all the silicone or polyurethane. Try not to, well, don't drag your bucket. This has been drying now. I've had a fan on it. It's been drying for about an hour and a half, but it's very warm weather, so I'm able to do the second coat fairly soon. It's not tacky. It's just absolute bloody gorgeous, I tell you. Ooh. Yeah, it's 34 degrees out there at the moment. Quite warm, I tell you. It's not bad inside here. And in the bathroom, there's no breeze or anything like that, but it's all right. But yeah, this bathroom was waterproofed when I came here, but it was a shocker. Unfortunately for the owner, he's having to pay twice, but he'd rather it done properly. You know, all the waterproofer would have needed to say with a leak, he just would have said, "Oh, the tiler would have done it. The tiler did it. He must have pierced the waterproofing." That's why it's always best, people that are watching this and they're not DIYers, if you get a tiler in to do your bathroom, get him to waterproof as well, because he's always careful of his own work. But that's how the waterproofer gets out of or doesn't get a black mark against him, because he just says, "Oh, it wasn't me," because it's pretty hard to prove where the leak comes from. That's what I'm trying to get at. And it's easy for a waterproofer to say that the tiler must have done it. And they can't prove it. It's pretty hard to prove, unless it's a major fault and it's picked up easy. Da 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 da. Dee 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 dee. I do like listening to my radio as I work. But I've got to be very careful with the music that I play on YouTube, because they sting me for copyright every time. Da 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 da. Bloody gorgeous. Yeah, so that's your second coat, everyone. See, it catches every pinhole, it catches everything. That second coat, eh? When you're waterproofing your own job, you'll realise it's a must. When you do it, you'll see. Oh yeah, look at that. It's filled those pinholes up nicely. When I come back after the weekend, that'll be dry enough to waterproof. It's not bad now, but no, not quite dry enough. It's better that it's dry. It needs to dry. We'll give it a swirl around in here, pick up anything that I've missed. I should have smoothed that out. I should have smoothed the sides out, but it's all right. All good. Right, let's just zap the walls. Da 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 da. Always in a bathroom, you'll always get a leak where, I've said this before, where it is always from about where my finger is, there down. It's not very often. Yes, you might get a leak around your niche, yes. It's not very often anywhere else. Your main area where you get leaks is 200 mil down. Right, I'll come back and see you soon. This is Chris O, signing off. Stay tuned to my channel, learn heaps, subscribe if you haven't, get into it, you'll learn. See ya.